Hello and welcome back to BLOWUP Prevention Project. Today we're going to talk about preventing drama, preventing stress by preventing inflammation. Everybody is talking about how inflammation is the root of all evil. All chronic illnesses, whether it's cancer, whether it's arthritis, whether it's diabetes, whether it's autoimmune disorders, they all have one common denominator, and that is inflammation. And there's a lot of conversation in the media about decreasing inflammation with diet, with exercise, with decreasing environmental toxicity. But something we don't talk about enough is the impact of our emotions on inflammation. There are studies showing that the most powerful predictor of heart disease, it's not smoking, it's not drinking, it's not eating fatty beef, it's hopelessness. And on the flip side though, experience of awe is the most powerful predictor for the lowest level of pro-inflammatory cytokine interleukin-6. It is really, really important for us to recognize that how we feel and the cultivation of emotions is not just this fluffy thing that we are supposed to do and walk around with smiles on our faces, but it actually affects very, very specifically our physical body. So in order to not just feel better emotionally, but to also help prevent chronic illness and help prevent inflammation, experiencing and cultivating positive emotions, including and especially the sense of awe, can be very, very powerful and very helpful. So how do you do that? Practice gratitude on the way to work. Look at the sunrise. Look at the city that you live in. I don't know. Look at the fact that, wow, today I'm walking and I'm not seeing potholes. I don't know what this is. Find ways to notice the good stuff, experience it, feel it fully, and see your inflammation drain out of your body. I hope this is helpful. Subscribe and share, and I see you at the next episode of BLOWUP Prevention Project. My name is Ania Grimone. See you next time.